The Delhi elections are here. And it's going to be one of the biggest political battle of the year. Three major parties are competing for control.
11 साल में काम क्या किया उसकी तो कोई तस्वीर नहीं दिखाई दे रही किसी भी चुनाव प्रसार में।
दिल्ली का वोटर दिल्ली को आपदा से मुक्त करने की ठान चुका है।
जहां जहां केजरीवाल जाते हैं, जहां जहां सिसोदिया जाते हैं, दिल्ली वालों को शराब की बोतल दिखाई पड़ती है।
गलती से भी इनको वो मत दे देना, आपके घर का बजट ऐसा गड़बड़ाएगा कि आप दिल्ली में रहने लायक नहीं बचो।
And big question is, will AAP continue its 10-year rule or will BJP finally win Delhi after 31 years? When AAP came to power, they made big promises: clean and free water, free electricity, free healthcare, free education and cleaning the Yamuna river.
दिल्ली के हर घर तक पानी पहुंचाया जाएगा। दिल्ली के लोगों को आधे दामों के ऊपर 24 घंटे बिजली सप्लाई करेंगे। प्राइवेट स्कूलों की अनाप शनाप फीस पर लगाम लगाने के लिए कानून बनाया जाएगा। यमुना को साफ किया जाएगा। मैंने 10 बार दिल्ली में बोला है कि अगर मैं 2025 तक यमुना साफ मत करूं, अगली बार मेरे को वोट मत देना।
This is not foam, this is froth and it is toxic froth.
Yamuna is basically killed by the human activity.
While some promises remain unfulfilled, they have made major changes. Today, 12 lakh families get free water, 10 lakh homes get subsidized electricity, 2 crore people have received free treatment, and government schools are producing top students. But politics is never just about achievements, it's also about challenges and controversies.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi liquor policy case.
Arvind Kejriwal was elected on a no-graft promise, but today he's been arrested on the same charge, corruption.
ये आम आदमी पार्टी कोई साधारण डकैत नहीं है, ये डॉन है, भ्रष्टाचार के डॉन।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्या यमुना जी में वह भी अपने मंत्रियों के साथ जाकर के स्नान कर सकते हैं क्या?
You can't hide what has not been done for year after year.
Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, who promised a corruption-free government, has now been arrested in the liquor policy case. Some say AAP is helping the poor, while others believes it's time for a change. Meanwhile, the media is busy with TRP-driven debates. The freebie debate. There are two views on freebies. One side says the government should not give free money because it discourages hard work and innovation.
% दिल्ली में हर घर में टूटी से पानी जाएगा। 60 साल से ऊपर के हमारे जितने बुजुर्ग हैं, उन बुजुर्गों का पूरा इलाज फ्री करवाया जाएगा। मैंने आपको एक प्रॉमिस किया हुआ है कि अगले चुनाव के पहले आपके साथ यमुना में डुबकी लगाऊंगा।
The other side argues that supporting the poor with essential service.
बस के टिकट फ्री, ये इसमें क्या सेंस था?
जो महिलाओं के लिए बसें फ्री कर रखी है, वो बसें फ्री नहीं है।
फ्री नहीं है?
फ्री नहीं है, मैं बताती हूँ ना आपको कैसे।
आपके घर में पानी पहले नहीं आता था क्या केजरीवाल के पहले?
आम आदमी पार्टी बढ़िया है। आम आदमी पार्टी बिल जो आएगा वो कम पानी का आएगा कि ज्यादा पानी वेस्ट होने का आएगा? भाई पानी का बिल तो फ्री है, फ्री सेवा है।
Like free water, electricity and healthcare helps the economy grow.
कल हमारे देश में मुफ्त की रेवड़ी बांटकर वोट बटोरने का कल्चर लाने की भरसक कोशिश हो रही है।
वेलफेयर स्कीम्स को लेके आम जनता के लिए चलने वाली जन कल्याणकारी स्कीम्स को लेके उनको फ्री की रेवड़ी कह के आज उनका मजाक बनाने का एक नई राजनीति देखने को आ रही है।
मैं लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि क्या मैं फ्री की रेवड़ियाँ बांट रहा हूँ या देश की नींव रख।
AAP follows this bottom-up approach. Free utility reduces household expenses and allow families to invest in their better opportunities. But are these schemes sustainable? Delhi's finances are actually strong. In 2011, Congress had 29,618 crores in debt, which is 27% of GDP. Today, Delhi's debt is 41,481 crores, but only 4.59% of GDP, much lower than the states like Gujarat and UP. However, some promises raise concerns. Rupees 2,100 per month for women, 18,000 for priests, and 1 lakh for rickshaw drivers' daughters' weddings.
जब ये बेटी की शादी करते हैं तो इन्हें तकलीफ होती है, तो अगर किसी भी ऑटो वाले की बेटी की शादी होगी तो सरकार की तरफ से 1 लाख रुपए
को मैंने वादा किया था कि हर महिला के अकाउंट में हर महीने हजार रुपए डलवाएंगे।
Hanuman Bhakt Kejriwal is pulling out all the stops to charm pandits and granthis with promises of a monthly honorarium of rupees 18,000, no less, if Aam Aadmi Party comes to power.
If Delhi's revenue declines, this could become a major financial burden. Now you tell me, are these freebies good or bad? Let me know in the comments. Pollution crisis in Delhi. Delhi struggles with water shortage, air pollution, and the Yamuna's toxic waste. The city needs 1,200 million gallons of water daily, but only gets 1,000 mgd. Leakage waste 30 to 40% of water, and 52% is lost before reaching homes, while 93% of Delhi now has piped water. Many still receive contaminated supply. The Yamuna remains heavily polluted. 70% of its waste comes from Haryana's Najafgarh drain. Delhi treats 85% of its sewage, which is better than before, but still not enough. Air pollution is another major issue. Industries, vehicles, and stubble burning from Punjab and Haryana fill the air with toxic smog, while AAP reduces stubble burning in Punjab by 50%. Delhi's public transport has worsened instead of improving. AAP had promised 5,000 new buses, but DTC's fleet has actually shrunk. While AAP blames external factors, they could have done more to fix local transport and metro expansion. Healthcare and education, AAP's biggest wins. Delhi's healthcare has improved. 785 new clinics have been built, and government hospitals are better than before. However, only 14,000 out of 30,000 promised beds have been added, showing that more needs to be done. In education, AAP did not build 500 new schools, but they added 20,000 classrooms, which is equal to 500 schools. They also built 6 new universities and increased the education budget. Many Delhi residents praise government hospitals and schools, but water quality and landfill waste remain serious problem. So, has AAP delivered? Education and healthcare in Delhi have improved, but pollution and infrastructure remain major challenges. Some freebies make sense, but too many handouts could hurt the economy. Now it's your turn. What do you think of AAP's 10-year rule? Let me know in the comments.